I'm sorry, this is a hoe. Thank you, I meant a hoe. Yeah, so this is a pointed edge hoe and then the flat hoe. This flatter hoe is really helpful. I just picked up a couple of these because I thought we could use these as we're trying to pull soil into the bed and off on the edges. So it's nice to reach across the bed and pull the soil in. It's also, you can also use it to just sort of smooth the soil out. If you're moving soil, you know, I was just saying, if you look at the beds and there's more soil up here than there is down here, you can use this to sort of pull some of that soil down. Then at the end, so this is nice. This end of the rake is really helpful if you want to if there's a lot of debris in the bed and you want to just loosely go over the top. You don't dig down deep in the soil to get the debris out. You're just going to go loosely across the top and it'll pull it out. This side is really helpful at the very end when you're just leveling the bed and making it Papa Vittori nice and level. Because Papa Vittori would be very upset if his beds are not level. So. But this end is really nice. Again, it's nice for moving the soil around.
What does harvesting mean to you? How does it make you feel when you harvest? Yes.
I think it's really cool because it's like there's this whole process involved in growing something, and
Back in the day with black and white television.
you're not only growing a vegetable, like you're taking care of the soil, and then you're
How the camera works.
and like harvesting it and offering out to others,
Not a time.
right? So it doesn't stop there. It's this whole process.
You're right.
Like
Actually,
you said, it's
Harvesting is self-care to me because self-care is helping others. And self-care, they used to talk about doing activism to do self-care because it was taking care of the group and taking care of the collective, was taking care of yourself through helping others, gave you a sense of self-esteem. I feel that way about this farm. Helping others gives myself a sense of self-esteem, and I can do that through harvesting.
listen, you can, but I'm not gonna get your face.
no, I want my face to be seen. I love harvesting. Learn something every day. I learn how I begin to eat fruits and vegetables from harvesting. And there's just a lot of education involved. I love it. I'm going to keep doing it from here until I die. I want to become a farmer.
Okay.
Amen.
Amen.